Hello, today we're going to create a fabric passport cover like this. Firstly, you need to cut out the cover details and the pattern for the fabric. We need a piece of cardboard. From this, we cut out 2 parts of the base and 3 parts for the pockets. We also need 5 patterns for the fabric. We outline the pattern with a pencil and cut out the details from the fabric. The 2 base parts need to be worked on. We need to bend them in the center on a board for better folding. Now we can stick fleece onto the cardboard. This makes the cover more attractive. I use PVA glue in a very thin layer. We trim off any excess. Now it's time to glue the fabric. We should pay special attention to the corners. Our next step is to glue the fabric to the pocket details and seal the flap. Here's what it looks like when it's finished. For extra durability, we'll make a machine stitch. We also separate the credit card pockets with a seam. For an even seam, I use paper tape. What's left is to glue the pockets to the inside of the cover. The final stage is to glue the inner and outer parts together. Once the glue dries, there's a need to lay a seam around the entire perimeter. Our cover is ready. If you want more interesting video lessons, then please like and subscribe to the channel. Exclamations can be bought using the link in the description, and you can get a discount using the promotional code.